Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus home screen. So just to do that, let's first hold for a while our device home screen, then tap on the right down corner to the settings icon, and then you'll see here hide apps on home and app screens. Tap to this section, and here we can see the previously hidden just contacts apps. Just to hide another apps, just select them, then just we can see here them in hidden app section and tap to done to save the changes. By the same way, we can just remove them by click here to these minuses on the on the left upper corner of each of the icons and the apps. Then just tap to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.